Simple lang po ito, tara na't gumawa tayo ng moist chocolate cake for New Year. Gagamit tayo ng all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix lang natin and set aside. Mag-cream ng butter using hand mixer and gradually add ang sugar and beat until light and fluffy. Ilagay na ang eggs one at a time only, mixing well after its addition, then add the vanilla extract. Sa isang bowl, mag-whisk ng hot brewed coffee, milk, sour cream, whisk until smooth and set aside. Gradually add ang butter mixture sa dry ingredients and yung coffee mixture. Repeat the process by alternating ang tatlong mixture. Mix until just combined but do not overmix. I-grease ang loaf pan lined with parchment paper, then pour the mixture ng 3/4 full only and bake ng 1 hour. After 1 hour, luto na po siya. Tanggalin ang parchment paper, lagyan ng frosting na chocolate and ready to eat. Kainan na!